Have you ever heard of fiber cement siding? Well, you have now, and it's becoming the go-to material of choice for many contractors working on home exterior renovations. So let's find out what this is all about. But first, what exactly is siding on your home?
Fiber cement siding is a newer form of cladding for homes that is made of compressed wood fibers and cement product to create a long-lasting siding. It also comes primed and in colors. Fiber cement is a very thermal product. It's known to last a very long time in the industry. It beats its competitors of wood and vinyl in longevity and durability, as well as flexibility in being able to paint it. It's also available in a variety of shapes and sizes and styles. It's a beautiful product, but it has all types of styles that can meet anyone's needs.
Robert should know he and his mother, Colleen, have been running BSS Exteriors for years.
Everybody here is a team. We figure we have family here. We're all family, even though we're not related as such, but we're still all family.
In our warehouse, we are a construction company, so we do a variety of trades. Right here at our facility, we manufacture our own storm shutter protection for Florida with the hurricanes impending, as well as store our materials when we do siding, soffit, and screen projects.
We offer storm shutters, we offer screen rooms, Florida rooms, and fiber cement siding.
So let's talk about fiber cement siding. What is it exactly?
Fiber cement is a relatively new cladding for homes that is made of compressed wood fibers and cement product, and it's available in a variety of sizes and styles.
I think if people chose fiber cement siding, I think in the long run they would be much happier because it would last longer, and the appeal of fiber cement siding is very, very attractive.
The experts say that fiber cement siding can be better and stronger than their vinyl counterparts.
Fiber cement is a product that will last you a much longer time. The real benefit to its longevity is the amount of effort that it takes to maintain it. It simply needs a coat of paint, whereas wood would need refinishing, repairing.
Fiber cement siding is more durable, and it offers more color options without voiding your warranties, as opposed to the vinyl siding.
Fiber cement is a very long-lasting product. Wood, being organic, is going to attract bugs and pests. Vinyl, being what it is going to deteriorate in heat. So climates like the southern regions are not going to hold up very well with vinyl, whereas the fiber cement product stays cool to the touch, even in our heat in Florida.
It's less expensive than wood options because wood is so much more expensive nowadays, and it gives you the wood look and appeal that they would get from wood, and it would last longer, and you have many more options than the wood because you don't have to paint it as often, and you don't have all that expense that would come with termites from wood.
We pride ourselves on our experience, our service, and our honesty in our industry. I tell all of our customers that our process is more of an education than it is a sales pitch. What sets us apart from our competitor is the fact that when we leave the project, you know that you got the best job that you could buy.
For more information about BSS Exteriors, visit bssexteriors.com, and of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.